Alright, what's going on everyone? So I recently started like a new Shopify store that kind of reopened, so I just decided like I might as well just show you guys on YouTube because I haven't really shown anything to do with Shopify stores like my ones, and like shown like documented the process of scaling and all that kind of stuff. So I decided I want to show this one because I only recently started this one, and it's at probably about $300 a day, which I'm gonna show you in a second. But so I decided like I want to show it, like maybe like an update video like every week or so, and just kind of show the campaigns and all that stuff. Um, just so you can see what's going on. But yeah, let me just get into the numbers. So like right now I've only just started it. So recently the pixel was messed up, so I wasn't able to like track the purchases, but today it's working. So let me just get into here. So yeah, $260. So it's only like it's like 1:30 now, so it's only halfway through the day. This one came in the morning, so it's like it's probably going to be a little bit more later on in the day, so it's going to be about $300 a day. But yeah, by the way, if you didn't know, like if you can get a Shopify store to $300 a day, that's basically $100,000 a year. If you do it every day and it stays consistent, that's pretty much $100,000 a year. So that's a good target to have, especially if you're starting out. First start $100, then obviously $300. Just remember, if you can keep that up, you're making 100 grand a year. It's literally that simple. But so yeah, also what I was gonna say is $300 a day. So yeah, $300 a day. Also, you want to have like, so my profit margin on this is like 175%. So the cost is 25% plus amount spent. So I spent $10 here. $10. Well, yesterday I spent about obviously about $10 probably. So it might have been like $20, let's say, for purchase. So let's say my profit on this is like what, 60%, 65%, something like that. Obviously that's when you include the advertising cost. But even then, if you can get about $300 a day, you'll still make about 80 grand a year, 80 to 85,000 a year, if you can keep this up, which you should be able to. Actually, one more, about you make 70 to 75,000. But yeah, if you can get to $300 a day, once you're there, you just gotta scale it up. So by scaling up, obviously it's like duplicating ad sets, hitting new interest, hitting your custom audiences. Once you get a customer, so this is a traffic campaign, but obviously I'm gonna start running conversion campaigns soon. So you can see here, I've run a lot of them in the past. So like view content to add to cart to initial checkout to buy, and I'm gonna start running these soon. But it's only because I'm in the first few days, so I just decided to run these because they were working before when I was doing this campaign, like I don't know, like 6 months ago. By the way, I released like a how to make money online course, which is called Quantum Profits. It's like a YouTube playlist. So if you want to check that out, make sure you check it out. In fact, let me show you one time. Let me see if I can get it up. But yeah, it's just a playlist of so it's going to show you how to like build groups. Build an audience, grow the audience, and then monetize the audience. So if you want to get in that, make sure it's a free playlist. So all you really have to do is just go to the playlist, and just watch the videos. That's it, and you'll be inside. So let me just log into this, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Yep, that is me. But yeah, so once you get to $300 a day, you're gonna be good to go. So you also want to check obviously you can check all the stuff like cost per checkout, cost per add to cart, return on ad spend. But thing is, obviously, if you're spending this money, it's making you money, then it's pretty simple. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Like it's pretty simple. You just look at it. Look, I put $10 in now, made 260. Like it's that simple. There's no real confusion. But yeah, so it's on my second channel, so you can see this is my main channel, and then I put on my second one. But if you look at the link in the description, I'll put it there and you can just watch it. I'll put the playlist link in the description. So here it is. It's called, here we go. So it's called How to Make Money Online Series Quantum Profits. Let me check how many views we're getting on that. I mean, I only recently put it up, so this is new. We got 9 subscribers now. But yeah, so you can check that out if you want. It's right here. Okay, so this is basically my second channel. Anyway, once you first run one of these campaigns, but I also went into detail into like how I decided which campaign to run now, because there's a reason I'm running this campaign in particular, and I showed in my last video how to run the perfect Facebook ad. I went into detail on like how I chose the countries, the age, and the genders. So literally, because I was getting sales before, I looked at the ad account, looked at which country and ages were getting sales, and I just made a campaign now with that country, with that age group, with the same interest, same kind of bids, and that's it. And literally now it's just making money straight away. So if you want to know how to do that, how to analyze a campaign so you know straight away how to make the perfect ad. So this is pretty much the perfect ad straight away. Like there's $10 in 260 hours, like that's that. So if you want to see that, I mean how to do that, just look at my channel. I uploaded like 2 days ago. Let me show you that one. Drift. So where is it? There it is, how to create the perfect Facebook ad. Let me go into my video section. Yeah, this one right here. So how I create a perfect Facebook ad. So I go into detail like how I analyze the campaign, all that stuff. So pretty much what you do is you come in here, break it down, delivery, and then you go into what's it called, age and gender, and then locations. And you can do it for the ad sets as well, so you can see which ad sets were working and which ads were working, and then just combine all that stuff together and you got a perfect ad, and you get results like this pretty much. So it's literally that simple. Also, if you want to know a bit more about Facebook ads, I recorded like a 1 hour video. It's like an hour long. It's on the black box formula page, so I'm gonna put the link to that as well. And basically I'll just show you how to like campaigns right here. These ones you see right here, initiate checkout to buy, these ones. So if you want to know how I do these ones, make sure you watch that video. It's a free video. It's like an hour long, an hour and a half, and obviously at the end of it, if you want to buy, if you want to get more training, you can choose to buy it, but you don't have to, because I show you everything here. But it's up to you what you want to do. But this one you can definitely watch. I'll show you exactly how I make these campaigns, everything inside it. This one, if you want to see exactly what I do in these campaigns, you can watch this video right here. So the one that you see on my main page, I pretty much went into that campaign in detail. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. So if you can get to $300 a day, then you're pretty much making 100 grand a year. And yeah, so, but yeah, like I said, if you're not getting sales, you're gonna want to get some sales first so that you can do the breakdown, so you can make the perfect ad, and that way you already know which placement works, which age works, which ad works, which interest works. If you're not getting sales, you're gonna want to run traffic campaigns and conversion campaigns. So you're gonna want to spend about $100 for the interest or for different interests, and try and get about $70 to $100 cost per purchase. If you can get it lower, then that's great. If you're not getting purchase at all, you're spending like $100, $200, then just ditch the product and go to the next one. Alright, so you should be spending about $100 per purchase initially. If you're not getting any, I mean, if you're getting the purchase, that means it's a viable business. If you're not getting purchases, then you don't want to do it. I mean, you don't want to continue running that campaign. It's that simple. Anyway, so this is the pixel. So you can see we've got 500 view contents, 33 add to carts, and then 1 purchase. But yeah, the conversion rate it's not really good on this website right now. So I do need to fix it. I definitely need to fix the conversion rate, because now it's like 0.58%, which is so low. But yeah, anyway, so if you got any questions, let me know. If you want to watch the playlist, I'm gonna put it down below. For my other videos, you can watch them right here. And yeah, speak soon.